Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the like and subscribe button to Pi Explained. And also comment and share, come in the comment, and write PiNetwork to the moon. Oh wow, Pioneer. The PiNetwork, once one of the most hyped crypto projects, has recently faced a dramatic downturn. Its native token, PI, has suffered a steep price decline, prompting many investors and observers to question whether the project is dead or simply in a turbulent phase. Here's a comprehensive look at the current status, the reasons behind PI's price tumble, and what the future might hold. PiNetwork, from hype to hard reality. PiNetwork's journey has been marked by extraordinary community growth and anticipation. After years in a closed-enclosed mainnet phase, the project finally launched its open mainnet on February 20th, 2025, allowing for real trading and broader ecosystem participation. The launch was met with massive excitement, pushing PI to an all-time high of $2.98 on February 26, 2025. For a brief period, PI even ranked among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. However, this euphoria was short-lived. Within weeks, PI's price plummeted by nearly 80%, currently trading around 66 cents to 70 cents as of late April 2025. The crash wiped out over $14 billion in market value, triggering widespread losses and anxiety among investors. Why did PI price collapse? Several factors have contributed to PI's sharp decline. Token unlocks and inflation. Over 124 million PI tokens are set to be unlocked in April 2025 alone, with monthly unlocks expected to peak at 233 million by July. More than 1.53 billion new tokens will hit the market over the next year, pushing total supply to 8.2 billion. This rapid increase in circulating supply has fueled inflation concerns and downward price pressure. Exchange listings and liquidity issues. While PI is available on some exchanges like OKX, Bitget, Gate.io, and MEXC, it remains absent from major platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. This limits liquidity and mainstream adoption. Some industry voices, including Bybit's CEO, have even labeled PI a scam, though the development team disputes these claims. Declining investor confidence. The price collapse has led to significant financial losses for early and recent investors alike. Many who bought PI above $1.50 now face heavy losses, and trading volumes have dropped by over 30% in a day, reflecting waning interest and confidence. Utility and ecosystem concerns. The transition to an open mainnet was supposed to usher in real-world utility, but so far the ecosystem remains underdeveloped. Without robust decentralized applications, dApps, and active use cases, demand for PI remains weak. Is PiNetwork abandoned? Despite the price crash and negative sentiment, PiNetwork is not abandoned. The core team continues to work on ecosystem development, KYC completion, and security upgrades. The project is still in the process of building out its decentralized application ecosystem, with several initiatives and hackathons underway to foster innovation. The open mainnet launch was a significant milestone, but the team has emphasized that true success depends on widespread KYC verification and the rollout of functional dApps that drive real-world usage. The community remains large and active, with over 19 million identity-verified users and ongoing development efforts. Market outlook. Is there hope for recovery? Short-term price action remains bearish, with PI consolidating between 63 cents and 72 cents as of late April 2025. Technical indicators show some stabilization, but momentum is fragile and volumes are low. Most analysts predict continued volatility and warn that without a surge in utility or major exchange listings, any rally is likely to be short-lived. However, there is cautious optimism for a gradual recovery if the following occur. Successful completion of KYC for a majority of users, launch of compelling dApps and marketplace integrations, broader exchange listings to improve liquidity and price discovery, restoration of investor confidence through transparency, and delivery on promises. Some price predictions see PI potentially rebounding to $1.80 to $2.40 by the end of 2025, assuming positive developments. But these forecasts remain highly speculative and contingent on the project overcoming its current challenges. Conclusion: PiNetwork is not dead, but at a crossroads. PiNetwork is far from dead, but it is undeniably in a make-or-break phase. The project faces significant headwinds: a collapsing price, inflationary pressures, and skepticism about its utility and future. Yet, with an active development team, a large community, and a roadmap focused on real-world adoption, there remains a path to recovery. If the team can deliver on its promises and rebuild trust. For now, PI's fate will be determined by its ability to transition from hype to genuine utility. Investors should remain cautious, closely monitor ecosystem developments, and avoid overexposure until clearer signs of sustained progress emerge. Alright folks, that's the scoop on why PiCoin's falling. Is this a crash or just a correction? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I want to hear what you think. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next crypto dive. Until then, stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one.